Hello crafty friends, it's Donna here, and I've got a pair of cards for you today that are right in my wheelhouse. I have a couple of new dies that I've been dying to try out. Both of these dies cut the shape but also etch a design into it. One is called Little Etched Butterflies and the other is Etched Flowers, and I'm going to use both of those today with one technique to make two different cards. First of all, I've cut a bunch of butterflies from white cardstock, and I have a range of pinks and corals here, and I'm just going to blend a little bit onto each butterfly so that I get some shading. I've concentrated the colour either in the middle of the butterfly or on the outside. I'm cutting the panel using a stitched rectangle die. I'm also going to cut a sentiment panel using this Hello layered oval die. I'm going to cut the background of the hello from vellum, and I've used gold glitter cardstock for the hello. I'm going to construct that properly later and show you a couple of tips for using vellum, but for now I just need to know the size of it so that I can work out my design. For this first card, I'm making a border of butterflies to sit behind my sentiment panel. I'm using my stamping block to hold each butterfly down as I go. And then when I think I'm done, I'm just going to check my central panel and add a couple of butterflies where there was still a bit of white showing. Vellum does not like moisture, and so a liquid glue is always a problem. And so what I'm going to do to stick this hello down is I'm going to effectively make a sticker for the front and the back of my hello panel. I have a ridiculously enormous roll of double-sided tape, and I've attached a piece of white card to that. Then I'm going to cut that hello out once from the front, the paper side, and once more from the back, which has the adhesive on it, so that each of those two die cuts will face a different direction. I'm then going to glue my glittery hello to my sticker that has the sticky on the bottom. Once I've done that, I'll remove the backing paper and stick that to my vellum. Then, using the sticker that I made with the sticky side on top, I'll remove the backing paper from that and stick it behind. Now I have a surface that will easily take glue, and I can glue that down to my card. As a bonus, my sentiment has some lovely dimension. And now I have a bonus card for you, which is a variation on the first card. This time, instead of putting my die cuts around the border, I'm going to make a panel of them. I've cut a panel which is just a bit smaller than the size of the card and laid all the flowers and butterflies down where I want them. It was a little bit tricky because they're all different shapes, and so once I had the design, I chose to protect it with a piece of Glad press and seal so I could lift it up as one whole design, put some glue on the back, and then just replace it. Rather than working out exactly where the panel was, I just glued to the edges of the flowers and wiped off the excess with a tissue. I've popped that panel up with some foam tape and put it onto a standard US 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card, the same size as the other card, and then I'm going to place the hello on top. This time I've used silver glitter paper, but the construction is exactly the same. The two layers that touch the vellum have been done as stickers, and then I've used glue on the outside. For both of the cards, I've added some extra butterfly action on top, just for a little something extra. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe. If you're wanting to know about anything that's in this video, I've put links in the box below. I've tried to link to things in different countries where I can. Until next time, I hope your days are full of butterflies and flowers. Stay safe, and I'll be back again soon. Bye for now.